Okay, now I'm gonna cook up some Annie Boy broccoli raps. Some of them, the stems were long, so I cut them up real good. I don't think I did it like this before. But I just cut the stalks down, and after I cooked them, blanched them, and put them in ice water. Then I cut them up more, see? Scissors. That way. Throw them right in the pan with olive oil. Look here. You know? Turn them down a little bit and I'll burn them. I don't know how many I can get in this pan. It's not very deep. Maybe I better hold up. That's about it now. In case I screw these up, I got these left. Alright, so I'm going to put some more of this on there. Oh. And some, I got salt in it, and garlic. I put some garlic. And I put some Italian seasoning in there. And we'll see. Maybe I'll add some, I'll have some garlic. I use that. But I thought I had some. Oh, there they are there. Some of these. Maybe these are not too mixed. I'll put some of these in there. Maybe they'll soften up. I don't know. And we'll see how this comes out. Alright? That's it.